Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel made by Yuma. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel to see the latest videos. So, in today's video, we are going to see a simple leaf pattern. This particular leaf pattern is a little broader as compared to the regular leaves, so which can be used for any kind of flowers, especially big flowers. So I have used different types of yarn here, and hence you see the difference in the size of the leaves. This particular leaf uses a thinner yarn as compared to the other threads, and this is a regular sized yarn. So you can see the difference, the minute difference in the size of the leaves. So you can choose any acrylic yarn for this leaf pattern and the crochet hook that suits your yarn. So first let's get started by taking the tail end of the yarn and making a slip knot using the crochet hook. So this slip knot itself is considered as the first chain, as you can see here. This is of the chain shape. So next we have to do 9 chain stitch. So this is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. This is my fourth chain. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have made 9 stitches plus 1 slip knot. So we have to skip the first chain and insert the crochet hook into the second chain and pull through the yarn. We have 2 loops here. You have to yarn over and slip through. So this is nothing but the single crochet. So in the next chain we have to make a double crochet. So if you are an absolute beginner, you can just check out my videos on crochet basics, which will teach us you how to do a chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet and triple crochet. So once you are done with making the double crochet in the second chain, in the third chain we have to yarn over twice to create a triple crochet and insert into the chain, pull through. We have 3 loops here, so yarn over, pull through and repeat it 2 more times. So this completes a triple crochet. So if you are a absolute beginner, you can check out my videos on how to make a triple crochet. So there is a separate video on that which will help you to master this stitch. So this is something similar to a double crochet. So with this triple crochet we have to repeat it for 4 consecutive chain stitch. So I am at the third triple crochet stitch. So now I have to make one more triple crochet. And then so we have to decrease the height of the leaf now. So I'm gonna do a double crochet here. So for double crochet we have to yarn over just once to get 2 loops. So this is a double crochet, and then next we have to make a half double crochet. So for half double crochet, once we get the 3 loops, we just have to insert through all the 3 loops. So that's a half double crochet. You can check out my videos about basics where I will explain about half double crochet. The next chain, which is the knot, so we initially did a knot, right? So into that knot we have to do a single crochet. Once single crochet is done, make 2 chain stitch here. Chain 1, chain 1 is done, and then we have to make chain 2. So this will help us to make the pointed leaf at one edge. Then we have to make a slip stitch into the same knot. So once this is complete, this is like one half of the leaf. We have to work on the opposite side of the leaf now. So for that, insert into the first chain and then do a single crochet. So you can use this tail end along with the stitches to hide the tail end, or you can just leave it and later we can stitch it back. So into the next chain, do a double crochet, and into the third chain we have to do a triple crochet, and repeat the triple crochet for next 3 consecutive chains. So in total we have to make 4 triple crochet. So this is the first triple crochet. So once you are trained with doing double crochet with much ease, you can easily do this triple crochet as well. If you are a beginner, you can just practice triple crochet separately and then start doing this leaf pattern. So now I'm working on the third triple crochet. And this is my fourth triple crochet. So once this is done, we have to work on the decreasing pattern. So decreasing pattern is we have to make a double crochet in the next chain. So after that we have to make a half double crochet. For half double crochet, we have to yarn over once, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops here. We have to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This completes the half double crochet, and in the next chain we have to make a single crochet. So with this single crochet the leaf pattern is complete. So what we can do is we can either uh, make 5 chains and create a stem, or you can just make 1 chain and pull through and cut off the remaining yarn. So here I'm just making the leaf without stem. Just pull it once to make it tight, and then at the back side of this leaf we can sew the loose ends, and I'm also just trimming off the tail end which we started. So you can see the leaf pattern has come out beautifully here. This particular pattern is little broader. So now let's see how to sew this loose end. So for that, insert into the adjacent loops and then pull through the tail end. You can do this or repeat this for 2 to 3 times and then cut off the remaining thread. Alternatively, we can also stitch the tail end instead of crocheting. So whatever is easy for you, you can do that ways. And here I'm going to show you how to make use of this leaf. I have made a flower, the puff stitch flower, and this suits well for that flower. You can just use that for decorating your dress or your handbag or a mini purse. So you can use this for multiple decorations. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please share it with friends and family if you really like this video, and I also request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.